Hello kids, let's learn the right spellings in a fun way. Ready? Let's go. Improve your English. Watch the video carefully. Incorrect friend spelling. This is correct friend spelling. Incorrect apple. Correct apple spelling. Incorrect banana spelling. Correct banana spelling. Incorrect elephant spelling. Correct elephant spelling. Incorrect lion spelling. Correct lion spelling. Incorrect tiger spelling. Correct tiger spelling. Incorrect school spelling. Correct school spelling. Incorrect truck spelling. Correct truck spelling. Incorrect chocolate. Correct chocolate spelling. Incorrect butterfly spelling. Correct butterfly spelling. Incorrect flower spelling. Correct flower spelling. Incorrect sun spelling. Correct sun spelling. Incorrect month spelling. Correct month spelling. Incorrect house. Correct house. Incorrect rabbit. Correct rabbit. Incorrect bird. Correct bird spelling. Incorrect cattle spelling. Correct cattle spelling. Incorrect dog. Correct dog. Incorrect fish spelling. Correct fish spelling. Incorrect rose. Correct rose. Incorrect strawberry. Correct strawberry spelling. Incorrect carrot. Correct carrot spelling. Incorrect table. Correct table spelling. Incorrect chair. Correct chair spelling. Incorrect book. Correct book spelling. Incorrect run. Correct run spelling. Incorrect jump. Correct jump spelling. Incorrect girl. Correct girl spelling. Incorrect boy. Correct boy spelling. Incorrect water. Correct water spelling.